Students, today I'll explain you question 9 of exercise 10.2 from circle chapter. Exercise 10.2 question number 9. Figure is drawn there already. In figure XY, this is the XY and X dash Y dash are two parallel tangents. These are the parallel tangents. Okay, they are the parallel tangents. This is given. Okay, to a circle with center O and another tangent AB. Another tangent. This is also a tangent. Another tangent AB with point of contact C. With point of contact C. This is the point of contact. That is the C. Okay. With point of contact C intersecting XY at A and X dash Y dash at B. See that. This is another AB tangent intersecting that point of contact C, intersecting the XY at A and the X dash Y dash at the B point. So this is given in the figure. Again listen. XY and X dash Y dash, XY and X dash Y dash are two parallel tangents. Okay. To a circle with center O, another tangent AB is there. That is the point of contact is C, and that touches the XY at the A point and the X dash Y dash at the point B. Now we have to prove angle AOB equal to 90 degree. Angle AOB means what? This angle we have to prove. That angle is equal to what? 90 degree. That we have to prove. So for that one construction we have to do. We have to join OC. Okay. So first write down the given XY and X dash Y dash are two parallel tangents. And AB is also a tangent touches at point C. Now to prove angle AOB equals 90 degree. Okay. For that construction we have done. What is the construction? Construction we have done that join OC. Join OC. Okay. Now prove. You'll see the students ki what is the relation between triangle PAO and triangle CAO. In triangle PAO and triangle CAO. Okay, we have to see the relation. What is that? AP equal to what? CA. AP equal to AC. AP equal to AC. What is the reason? Tangent from exterior point. Both are the tangent. Tangent from exterior point are equal. Okay, this is AP equal to AC. OA equal to OA common. Common, that is. And the next is there OP equal to what? OC. Here what is there? OP equal to OC. both are the radius of circle. Radius of circle, so they will be equal. So here the three things we have got, कि the all AP equal to AC, O equal to OA, and that is common, OP equal to OC. So therefore the three sides are equal, corresponding triangles. Therefore triangle PAO congruent to triangle CAO. What is the reason? By triple S rule. By triple S rule they are congruent. Okay. So what we are getting? What for we have done that? If they are congruent, then by CP/CT we can write that angle PAO equals angle CAO by CP/CT. Okay. So this we have got कि this angle and this angle is equal. This angle and this angle is equal. Both angle is equal. Okay. We have got by this congruency by triple S rule. Similarly, triangle this one also congruent. Triangle what? We have taken that PAO, no? Then same way that triangle is what? QBO. Triangle QBO congruent to triangle CBO. You can see that triangle QBO is similar, congruent to triangle CBO. By again the reason is that triple S rule. And how they are, see that by triple S rule they are congruent, because this is again the tangent from ischial point QB. QB equal to what? That will be CB, and the OB equal to OB, that is the common, and the OQ and OC both are the radius. OQ and OC are the radius. So they are also congruent. If they are congruent, then again we are getting the angle QBO equal to angle CBO by CP/CT. Okay. This is the 2 and this is the 1. Now see that in this, these two line XY and X Y dash Y dash that are parallel. So therefore angle PAO, now angle PAC, no, PAB plus angle QB, PAC you can write down, angle PAC plus angle QBC, PAC and QBC, that is equal to what? That is 180 degree. What is the reason? Because the XY and the X dash Y dash are that are parallel tangent, so they are what? Co-interior angles. Co-interior angles, their addition is what? 180 degree. Okay. Angle PAC plus angle QBC equal to 180 degree. Reason you write down co-interior angles. And co-interior angles in the, if the lines are parallel, that time their addition are what? That is 180 degree. Only that case. If the lines are not parallel, that time it is not 180 degree. If suppose here it is given XY and X dash Y dash is parallel, therefore this addition plus this addition equal to 180 degree. So co-interior angles that are 180 degree. Now angle PAC equal to what? We can write angle PAO plus angle CAO. Angle QBC will be what? Angle QBO plus angle CBO equal to what? 180 degree. You will see the combination on that. Angle PAC plus QBC 180 degree, angle PAC equal to angle PAO plus EAO, and QBO plus CBO. Now the PAO and CO is equal, so therefore we can write that ki angle CAO, in place of the PO we can write the angle CAO plus angle CAO, and angle QBO is equal to what? Angle CBO. So in place of the QBO we can write the angle CBO. We can write equal to 180 degree. This is the from 1 and 2. We have got the PA equal to CO, QB equal to CBO. So in place of the PO CO and the CO already it is there. In place of QBO CBO write down, and that time this is the 2 times CBO, 2 times PO. So that you can take the common 2 angle CAO plus angle CBO. CAO plus CBO. Okay. That is equal to what? 180 degree. This is the angle CO and angle CBO. If 2 times that is there, so 1 time what will be? Therefore angle CAO plus angle CBO equal to what? 180 degree upon 2. And 180 degree upon 2 equal to what? 90 degree. We have got this angle plus this angle addition is what? Equal to 90 degree.
Good morning, ma'am.
Okay. This is the third. Angle CAO plus angle CBO equal to what? That is the 90 degree. In right triangle, OAB, angle AOB plus angle OAB plus angle OBA equal to what? 180 degree. Okay. And this students, angle AOB, angle OAB represent the what? Same angle, angle OAC. That we can write angle OAC. Both are the represented. OBA, the same angle is what? Angle OBC. Yeah, angle CBO.
Silent, ma'am.
Okay. Angle CBO. Angle CAO or angle OAC, both things are same. Angle OAB, we can write that angle CAO. And plus, in place of the angle OBA, we can write the angle CBO. Because both are representing the same angles. You will see that. CBO is what? The same angle, and the ABO is the what? Same angle. Angle OBA. Angle OBA is what? That angle is what? Angle CBO. And angle OA, angle CAO is the same angle OAC or angle OAB. Now this addition is equal to what? That is given 90 degree. Angle AOB plus 90 degree equal to what? 180 degree. So angle AOB equal to 180 minus 90 degree equal to 90. So this we have to prove. And why we have written this angle sum property of the triangle, that is there. Okay. And this from where we have got the CO plus CBO 90 degree. from 3, from equation number 3. Here the trick was there कि join the OC. When we have joined the OC, then we have got the two tangents AC and the BC, and what we have compared the two triangles to another triangles, and then after we will got. You'll see the students, that time it was not visible. Okay students, thank you.